Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be doing swatching from the gel pens and the colored pencils in the most recent sub box. Super excited to have gotten these in. I love the gel pens from Archer and Olive that were in the Messy and Bright box, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started and swatch them. I have white, black, and craft paper to try them out on. So I'm going to start with the green color. These are so much fun. They come in the new subscription box, the December subscription box, and that box is $75 plus shipping. I'm not sure what color you would call this. Is it like maybe a teal? We'll do teal. It does look like a teal. And there's all kinds of goodies in this box, and I will link my full unboxing below. It has a notebook, and it has this really cute traveling case and all kinds of fun stuff, and I'm really loving these gel pens. Unfortunately, the gel pens were not included in my box initially, but of course they made it right and they sent them to me. Obviously the white's not showing up on here, but I expected that. So it's green, teal, blue, pink, and white. And then let's go ahead and try these colored pencils out. So the colored pencils are metallic. It looks like there's a silver, a purple, like a greenish yellow. I don't know what color that is. A green and a blue. So let's try the silver first. So that's pretty. We'll do the purple. I don't know what color this is, so I guess I'll write unknown. I guess it's like a green. But this is like almost like an emerald, which looks really pretty. And then there is blue. So those are really cute. Let's see how they look on the craft paper. So we'll do our green first. And then our teal. Then blue. The pink. That looks that hot pink looks great. Well, it's not really hot, but it looks hot pink on that. And then white. And I'm actually, like I said this in my initial video, I'm really happy that there's 2 white pens included. I'm only swatching one, but there's 2 white pens included. And the reason I'm really happy about that is because as somebody who has used a blackout in the past, you go through your white so fast, like, because you use it the most. Then we have our silver. We have our purple. And we're going to call this unknown. That you can barely see on the craft. Green. And blue. So that's fun. Alright, I'm really excited to see how these look on the blackout though. Because they said on the box here, it says works on dark surfaces too. And these are the 0.6 mm tip. And I don't know if there's any other information about the pencils. There's not. But I really like the gel pens. I love that Archer and Olive is going into different writing utensils and things like that. Like, I just think it's really cool. These look great on blackout. The green, the teal, the blue, the pink. It almost looks like Pepto-Bismol on the blackout. And the white. Love those. Alright, let's try the pencils. So silver. Purple. Unknown. Green. And blue. So those are all of the swatches on my white, black, and craft paper. So that's the 5 colored pencils that came in the sub box, as well as the 6 gel pens that came in the sub box. I love the gel pens. I don't usually use colored pencils that much, but they write really nice, and they are kind of like a metallic-y kind of sheen to them. I'm not sure if you can really pick that up on camera, but really nice quality. So I will put my affiliate link in the description below, and you can purchase the sub box if you'd like. That's where these are in. The fun thing about the sub box is it's always these exclusive items that you're not going to find in the store. So like I said, I will put my affiliate link in the description below. Being an affiliate means I do earn commission when my link or code is used, and I appreciate everybody's ongoing support. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and if you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful night. Bye.